You just changed username in TikTok, but that's not the perfect name you want. So how can you change your TikTok name without waiting another 30 days? Don't panic. In this video, I will show you 2 simple tricks to change your username on TikTok without waiting 30 days. Now to know how to change your username on TikTok by passing TikTok restriction, you have to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Trick 1. So for the first trick, we're going to modify the date and time settings in your mobile phone. So head over to the settings app in your mobile phone. Once you're in the settings page, you have to scroll down and there firstly tap location and there tap on toggle to turn it off. Go back, tap the additional settings, and there you will be able to see date and time option. Tap on that option. Now turn off set time automatically by tapping on toggle. Now manually set a date that is at least 30 days further. Now once you're done with settings, save it by tapping on OK button. Now go back to your home screen and there tap and hold the TikTok app, and there you will be able to see a pop-up menu. From there you have to tap on app info option, and once you're in the app info page, you have to tap on clear data option at the bottom of your screen, and there a menu will appear on your screen. Now you have to tap on the very first option, clear all data, and there tap on OK option. Now open the TikTok app and re-log in into your account. This trick works for most people on their smartphones. Now from here tap on profile at the bottom of your screen, and then you will be taken to your profile page. Now tap on edit profile button, and there you will be able to change your username. But if you still can't change it, then go back to your profile and there tap on 3 lines at the top right of your screen, and then from the menu tap on settings and privacy option. Now scroll this settings and privacy page to the bottom, and there tap on report a problem option under support and about section. Now again scroll this page to the bottom and there tap on submit a report button. So in here you need to write exactly like this and then tap on submit button. After that they will contact you within 24 hours, and if everything is okay they will change your name and you don't have to wait 30 days. Now that was the simple 2 tricks to change your TikTok username without waiting 30 days. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.